Let's say you have done all the hard work and came up with a beautiful, powerful, and an exceptional Google Data Studio report. So, what's next? Yes, indeed. The next step is to share this report with the world. Share this report with your peers, your friends, your organization, your clients, and on social media as well. Google Data Studio offers a lot of sharing options. You have a share button over here which you can click, which will open up a dialog box. You can choose to add people by names or email addresses over here and then can change the setting from either view to edit. You can also choose to notify people and this will send them an email that a Google Data Studio report has been shared with them. Let's say I have entered an email ID and click on send and the user has accepted this request. Once you then go to manage access, you will see that person's name right over here in this list. Under manage access, you have a lot of few important options. That is, you have the entire link that you can copy and share. And remember, the setting says anyone with the link can view. If you want that anyone with the link can edit the report, you can choose the drop down of edit. As well, you can choose the settings of anyone on the internet can find and edit or find and view. You can also choose to switch off the sharing and remember to make sure that only specific people can access, which you will mention over here under add people option. There are a few other options as well that you can choose to include. Also, once you have the link, you can click on copy and I will share a small trick with you. Once you have the link, enter it into the URL, put a backslash and write preview and press enter. Once you do that, your report that you have created on your own data will become a template that any user can use to add their own data and start creating their dashboard immediately. All the templates that you see in the gallery are all created in this way. You can as well create a very powerful Data Studio report and save it as a template and share it with the world. There are a lot of other important share options which are to invite people, schedule email delivery, that is, an email will be sent of this whole report to a set people on a specific time, and the repeat mode can be either put daily, weekly, weekdays, or even customized. This is the flexibility of the email delivery option. Once you click schedule, automatically emails will be sent to the recipients and they will get the entire report link, which is very dynamic, active and interactive. Further, there are options to get the report link to share, embed the report as we have already seen, and even download this report as a PDF. Well, these are the different sharing options in Google Data Studio. Thank you.